se c'è le sorbe.
Ah, la chinocchia
La che
fa.
nocchia fa.
E non ne sa più.
What are you doing?
I am widening the barrel where I will insert the branches of sorbus. I have to do the conocchia.
Where did the ginocchi hang?
On the balcony, outdoors.
Quando se mazze se ci fanno.
Sorbi, zorbi, soldi, or subi. These are some of the names with which the sorbus are called, once very popular fruits and today almost disappeared from Sicilian tables.
Oh, da che ci può mettere, dipende che lunghezza fa.
Eccola. E tu quando ne sta facendo?
Hai picca che stai qua. Poco è.
The sorbus tree in Sicily is present in mountain forests, in particular on the eastern side of the Etna, in the Madonie Park and in some areas of the Sicani Mountains. The fruits of the sorbus were more widespread in past centuries among farmers and shepherds. In the last decades, consumption and diffusion have decreased. Today, they are rare. They are harvested in autumn, but when they are picked up, they are not edible. They are consumed gradually. As they ripen during the winter, when they change from red to dark, becoming soft, floury, and sweet.
And when do the sorbus ripen?
To be touched, one is ripe, and I will eat it.
Let's see how this ginocchia is made.
You need the string. First, you need to tie the string to the cane. To make them ripen once harvested, there are two techniques. One is to store them in crates covered with hay. And another, true folk art, is hanging them on a bunch called conocchia, which is what Zio Peppino is preparing. The conocchia then hung in the sun, perhaps with the hawk, or even inside the house. The vendor who came from Etna and who went around the Sicilian villages shouted in the streets of Sicily, "Io li zorbi di Catania," which is, "I have the sorbus from Catania." Today the sorbus can still be found in some village festival, but also in any fruit vendor who sells them with conocchie, ready to be hung when you get home. The sorbus have a very ancient origins and were already known in Roman times, who appreciated their tenderness and sweetness and used it a lot for the preparation of liquors. Plinio said in his Naturalis Historia, "Some are round like apples, some sharp like pears. The round ones are more fragrant and more delicate than the others. The others taste like wine." Virgilio also talks about it in the Georgics, where the custom of making this fruit ferment is illustrated with wheat obtaining cerevisia, an alcoholic drink similar to cider. Surely, the sorbus will not be among the tastiest fruits of Sicilian agriculture, but they certainly represent a very important cultural element.
What's the use of the string?
Quando un cadeno. Allora, facciamoci vedere alla medie come
To hold the sorbus and to keep them from falling. The string is put on top, which is used to hang them out on the balcony, and then all the people passing by looked up, and there was someone with the nerve of wanting to taste them.
Of course, hanging on the balcony.
L'importante è farlo questo. Avanti, allazziamola e facciamo vedere come si allazzava alla fine.
Come on, let's tie them up and show them. Where do you have the other piece of string?
Here it must be next to the basket.
Fammi attaccare.
Sì, sì, per farcelo vedere. Ca.
Cadê? Ok.
Ah, facciamoci vedere come si allazza.
Prima quando hanno le torbe più verdi, si facevano attaccare uno, due, tre alla volta.
Sì. E poi se ci metti allo
E
lazzo.
dopo si mettevano là, cioè tre alla volta e si ivano attaccando.
Say goodbye to all the friends from all over.
Saluta l'amici della d'ogni banda, papà. Saluta, salutale.
Ciao, ciao.